Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can slow and reverb song editing in Capcut. So here, Capcut tutorial for you how you can edit your music, edit your back sound on your in your project. So here you can open the Capcut first. Try to find your project, and let's start. For example, for practicing, type one of your project, or you can create new project. Here you can add audio and add like a sound or music. You can tap sounds and try to find sounds on a Capcut library or from your storage or from your device. You can tap plus button in order to add it into your video or projects. You can drag to the start of your project or start of your video. Here you can tap your sound or music. In order to slow and reverb, you can search for the speed. Tap the speed, and here we go. By default is 1 time. So in order to slow it, you can try to slow up into 0.5 or 0.3. So please choose based on your preferences. And here you can tap on sound effect or audio effects. You can tap it. If you use a pro version, you can try band pass reverb and super reverb, and also only a reverb. So you have to join pro in order to use this sound effect. You can adjust the strength. So feel free to try to edit your sound, slow and reverb song editing in Capcut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.